Hello everyone, welcome to our blog InnoVoice. We are Group H, and today I'm going to talk about the challenges and risks of speech recognition. First, I will give you a brief introduction of speech recognition and its progress. Then I will talk about the challenges speech recognition encounters and risks. For you who first come to our blog may wonder, what is ASR? Well, ASR stands for Automatic Speech Recognition. It is commonly called speech recognition, and it is a process of turning human speech into a device-recognizable format. The main goal for using it is to get efficient ways to communicate and interact with digital devices. Speech recognition is considered to be a young technology and with fast growth. From the picture, we can see that although it has only 60 years history, but its progress is tremendous, from digit recognition in 1952 to multimodal speech-enabled devices up to now, and its future seems promising. Real-time recognition, 100% accuracy, but there is a long way to go to fully achieve this goal. There are still many challenges to address. This leads to our topic today. When using speech recognition, variability should always be considered because technology today is not mature enough to eliminate all negative factors affecting accuracy and speed. The first one is environment variability, such as noise, the quality of the input device, and the position where you speak. In our daily life, speech happens in an environment full of sounds. All these sounds can be called background noises. How ASR correctly identifies and filters out these noises from the speech signal poses a great challenge and has a substantial influence on accuracy and speed, thus users' experience and efficiency. That's why users are advised to use speech recognition in a quiet environment and with high-quality input devices. Speaker variability is even more complicated because each individual is different in speaking, language, dialects, speaking styles, speed of speech, and so on. Although developers are trying hard to deal with this challenge, for example, by adding different kinds of languages or offering personalized input options, there are still numerous issues to solve. So the learning model emerges where users can teach their devices to better understand themselves. But this triggers another challenge, data. In order to facilitate this learning model, a speech recognition system needs to memorize huge amount of data to be more accurate, and every time when receiving signals from users, it has to search in the database and analyze the data to anticipate the user's intention. And the learning process usually takes a long time, which will probably depress its users, therefore hinder the popularization of the technology. But would it be okay if all above challenges were solved? The answer is no. Speech recognition is not yet as intelligent as human beings who can think, perceive, and predict. Therefore, the ambiguity is quite common. Here we list two types of ambiguity, context and word boundary. As you can see from the examples, it's not quite possible for speech recognition system to understand context and adapt to different situations to make a right decision. In many cases, a revision is needed. From above discussion, we can see that there are still many challenges to conquer for the speech recognition to be more intelligent and user-friendly.